Hey guys, I'm JP and welcome to the Better Diet Way, and today we're going to talk about the SirtFood Diet. So, as you might have heard, because of Adele and her transformation that we saw at the start of the year, the SirtFood diet has taken off and has a lot of popularity. So I'm going to look into this diet and understand what it is and how it works. So just a bit of background, the diet has been created by two guys in the UK, Aidan and Glenn, and they now have a new book out. I'll leave a link in the description. And they claim that the diet works by turning on your skinny gene. The pair focus on always being on eating healthy rather than weight loss. So they go into much more detail within the book on a meal plan which involves SirtFood juices accompanied by a balanced SirtFood meals. So the diet is based on Sirts, which is a group of 7 proteins found in the body that has been shown to regulate a variety of functions within the body like your metabolism, inflammation, and it also has been associated with increasing your lifespan. Certain natural plants compounds may be able to increase your level of proteins in the body, and foods containing them have been called SirtFoods. So what falls underneath the SirtFoods? I'm just going to have a little read of this little list that I've created. I'll leave a link for this in the description. So you can actually read this yourself, but in the SirtFood diet we have kale, red wine, strawberries, onions, soy, parsley, extra virgin olive oil, dark chocolate, matcha green tea, turmeric, buckwheat, walnuts, blueberries, capers, coffee, and various other items. So what is the SirtFood diet plan? Well, the diet plan is broken up into 2 phases. Phase 1 runs for 1 week. This is where you limit your intake to 1,000 calories a day. So for example, the average intake for someone aged 26 to 35 years old is just over 2,500 for males and just over 2,000 for females. So in the first week of this diet, you drink 3 Sirt green juices a day, recipe down below, and eat 1 SirtFood meal a day. And then after that week you go into the phase 2 where you increase the amount of calories to 1,500 per day and drink 2 SirtFood green juices a day and eat 2 SirtFood meals. So is this diet good for you? It has its pros from the food you'll eat, which is high in nutrients and you'll be getting your vitamins and minerals needed. Your intake of superfoods is going to increase, and they have all these other benefits that are also great for you and which have been linked to having a longer lifespan and reducing the signs of aging. What are the cons? Well, the cons of the diet is quite hard to follow, and you straight away cut out particular food groups where that's going to be a sharp change for your body, which can be quite, I guess, lead to the same symptoms that you see if you have followed the keto diet and you get the keto flu. It's about your body adjusting, and having this diet come in and really cut out a few things in a short amount of time, you're going to feel this diet. And so it's going to be a hard one to take on, but there's things like, which the book has quoted to, a skinny gene. That's nothing scientifically proven, it's just a word that they've put out there, and there's no actual evidence of this diet. So seeing that this diet will be sort of hard to follow and it does take a lot of effort, you might not be able to grasp it as soon as possible. It's not really a lifestyle change, it's really a high intensity diet, and it's just a short sort of diet that you implement if you want real rapid change. So just to wrap it up, I guess in summary, if you're looking for a quick way to lose weight, then this is a diet worth trying, coupled with exercise. But remember, it's not a long-term diet. The recommended approach would be to decrease your calorie intake and increase your vegetables you eat. Going to the extreme of this diet may cause you to give up more sooner. My approach would be to start looking to just look for a better diet, start introducing these vegetables which they speak about, and bringing them into your life, and then slowly decreasing the amount of calories you intake. I think that's the overall approach that I can take away from this diet and what they've really done. So if you've tried out this diet, make sure you comment below. I'm really interested to see how it's working for you. I haven't personally tried it out myself. I have made the SirtFood green juice for myself just to taste it, give it a go. It's not the most tastiest thing, but I can see how it's beneficial. It gives your body what you need. It's got all the nutrients in there, and it can work for you. I've got the recipe again for that down below as well. So there you go. I hope you found that helpful about just giving an overview on the SirtFood diet. Just a little bit of background on where it came from and what Adele has followed. Hopefully, if you've tried it out, please comment down below. I've seen other people try this diet out. It's probably one of the harder diets out there to follow, but it is, like I said, extreme. It's a sort of like a real high intensity diet, and it's only for a short period of time to get results really fast. So it's putting your body through quite a bit, and there is a bit of change. So really interested to find out if you have tried it. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and thanks for joining. Have a good day, guys. See ya.